Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make text bigger in Windows 10. As you can see, I currently have Notepad open and I have a bit of text that says Hello Computer Sluggish. Also above you can see File, Edit, Format, View and Help, and it's all the default text size. To change the size of this text, first you need to right click on the Windows Start menu icon and you now need to click on Settings. We now need to click on Ease of Access and you now need to click on Display. On the right hand side you will notice Make Text Bigger. You can now drag this slider up until you're happy with the size of the text in the example. Once you are, you can then go ahead and press Apply. And if I now go back to Notepad, you can see File, Edit, Format, View and Help is a lot bigger and clearer. It also changed the text on my settings, as you can see. If I turn it up even more and press Apply, you can see it's got even bigger again. I'm just going to turn this back down to the default setting, which is 100%, and press Apply. The next option to change is the option below Make Everything Bigger. This will now change the text size of the Hello Computer Sluggish. If I click on the drop down menu and select, for example, 150%, you can see everything's just got a lot bigger, and the Hello Computer Sluggish looks a lot bigger and clearer as well. This is an extremely good thing to do if you do have a really big PC monitor or using a TV as a monitor, as it will make everything a lot bigger and clearer on your screen. And that is it. That is how to make text bigger in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.